crisp cucumber, sweet watermelon, refreshing mint, tangy lime, and hydrating coconut water. Welcome to the world of Knowledge Your Health, where we bring you the magic potion of health, the green hydration splash juice. This delightful mix not only tantalizes your taste buds but also provides an array of health benefits. Brimming with nutritional value, it hydrates, detoxifies, and aids in weight loss. It's a heart-friendly mix, a skin glow booster, and a perfect partner for your fitness journey. But that's not all. At Knowledge Your Health, we unravel the secrets of nature's bounty. From food facts, nutritional insights to health solutions, we are your one-stop destination. So why wait? Dive into this pool of wellness and create your health story with us. Don't forget to visit our website knowledgeyourhealth.com, quote for more juicy details. So go ahead, stir up this green hydration splash juice and splash into a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's about Knowledge Your Health, it's about your well-being.